In this video guys, Keemokazi Rapping Cleaning Supplies and gave them to his mom for Christmas. So guys, make sure you watch this video till the end. If you haven't, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. So guys, let's enjoying the video. Keemokazi giving gift to his mom for Christmas. So guys, let's see this video till the end. Oh, so lovely. Keemokazi is enjoying the lovely fun with his mom. That's so nice. Wow, super. Oh, that's so nice. So guys, thanks for watching this lovely entertainment fun of Keemokazi and his mom. Hope you guys will like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.